that has been given today, despite the fact that five others had given it.
Three times the auction was a failure, right?
Just 1 second, madam. What had happened is,
now at the third auction, did you also bid?
no, I was not permitted, because by the order dated, on page 58, by the order dated 30th of April, the court restricted it to 3 people. OL said that we have withdrawn the earnest money. So was done by the others. And one other person was also not invited. So they invited only 3. 2 of them conveniently, it's a collusive thing, 2 of them conveniently withdrew. And the one who was granted.
But you withdrew your EMD?
So did others also. But they were invited.
Now just give us some facts, because let's understand what date are the auctions taking place.
Yes, I'll give the date, Manoj.
What is the date of the first auction?
Manoj, the e-auction notice is on 15/12, Manoj, and Annexure P3 on page 36.
1 second. Notice is on 15?
Yes, Manoj.
15/12/23.
Yes, Manoj. The auction was to be held on 21st and 22nd December, Manoj. Then there was a corrigendum, Manoj.
Yes.
On page 54. And then it was rescheduled for 12/1, Manoj. 12/1/2024.
Then?
Manoj, in this, Manoj, L1 bidder was, Manoj, at 25.24, sharp steel, Manoj. There was another, Manoj, this is on page L, Manoj, and the synopsis, Manoj. The 5 bidders, Manoj.
Now, you participated in the auction.
Yes, Manoj.
And you bid at 23.44, right?
Yes, Manoj. And I was the 3rd.
You are the L3.
L3.
Right.
So, Manoj, what has happened now is, I was L4, Manoj. I was L4.
Now, what happened in that first auction?
Manoj, when, Manoj, the auction was to be finalized, Manoj, the successful
bidders withdrew,
saying that there are complications. I did not know of the difficulty.
Right.
So he withdrew.
So the first auction was cancelled.
Yes, Manoj.
All right. We'll proceed step by step. Then second auction takes place.
Manoj, this is where the problem is. For second auction, the court itself, Manoj, finds 3 bidders, and that is on page, Manoj, this
that
is
the order of 30th of April 24.
30th of April 2024 on page 57.
Just 1 second. We'll see
this is where we were not there, Manoj. OL and other parties were there. The necessary parties to the winding up, Manoj. Order, convene and hold a fresh auction inviting 3 bidders. Sharp, a fresh auction inviting 3 bidders. Sharp steel, the one who did not, Manoj, he was an L1. Did not, Manoj, took it, was invited again. Then is, Manoj, square 4. Square 4 is the one who did not, cannot be called a bidder because he bid less than the reserve price. And Avirock is the one who withdrew his EMD 1 month prior to mine, Manoj. So, Manoj, all 3 actually are defaulters.
Annexure P, 30th, yeah, I got it, P5.
This is on P5, page 58 is the relevant part, Manoj.
Mukherjee and the official liquidator, just read that order again.
Yes, the official liquidator shall, within a week of communication of this order, convene and hold a fresh auction inviting 3 bidders with Sharp Steel Industries, Square 4 Logistics, and Avirock meeting. Manoj, Sharp Steel is the one who was successful. He was the L1 bidder, did not take it. 2, Square 4 is the one who did not bid even the reserve price. So it cannot be called a bidder in the first. Avirock is the one who withdrew its EMD even prior to mine, Manoj, 1 month prior to me. But they were called, Manoj, indiscriminately on the suggestion of OL.
Now, did you challenge this order?
Yes, Manoj, I challenge this order.